Most people use the internet every single day, but very few actually understand what's happening behind it. When you send a message, open a website, or join a video call, networks are working behind the scenes, making it all possible. In this video, I'm going to break down what CCNA is, why it matters in networking, and how it can completely change your path in IT. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. It's one of the most recognized entry-level certifications in networking industry, created by Cisco, one of the biggest networking companies in the world. With CCNA, you learn the fundamentals of how networks actually work, including how devices communicate, how data travels across networks, how routers and switches operate, and how networks stay stable and secure. In simple terms, CCNA teaches you how internet work behind the scenes. Everything today depends on networks, banks, hospitals, mobile apps, cloud systems, and even social media rely on networking infrastructure. If networks fail, services stop. That's why network engineers are extremely important. With CCNA knowledge, you can understand and work with technologies like LAN and WAN networks, IP addressing and subnetting deeply, routing protocols like OSPF, switching technologies, network security basics. This is the foundation of almost every advanced IT career in infrastructure. When you study CCNA, you don't just memorize theory, you build real skills. You learn how to configure routers and switches, design small and medium networks, troubleshoot connectivity issues, understand IP addressing and subnetting deeply, work with protocols like TCP/IP, DHCP, DNS, and OSPF. Secure basic network environments. This is where beginners become professional, because most importantly, you start thinking like a network engineer. Career opportunities that you have. With CCNA, you can start roles like data technician or data center technician, entry level, of course, junior network engineer, network technician, IT support specialist, help desk engineer, and so on. If you're starting in IT and you feel confused about where to go, CCNA is the clearest starting points that you can choose. Don't just consume technology. Understanding. CCNA gives you structure, real world skills, and a strong foundation for high-paying IT careers. If you want, I can also share a full CCNA study roadmap, labs you can practice for free, or a step-by-step guide to pass the exam. Subscribe or connect with me in this platform if you're building your career in IT or cybersecurity. See you in the next one.